Hello guys, myself Sakshi and I am here with my teammates Ananya, Samruddhi and Chali. Today we are going to introduce Mr. and Miss Happiness Project where we celebrate individuals who radiate their joy and positivity in their community. This initiative aims to recognize those who spread happiness by their words, action and presence, inspiring others to spread optimism and kindness. Join us in honoring those who make the world a brighter place, one smile at a time. Let's go!
Hello Kanishka. Suppose you are going to win this award, Miss Happiness Award. So, what would be your reaction after winning this prize?
I think this award will mean a lot to me since this is the happiness award. This tells how much important happiness is in our life, and receiving this award would mean that I have put my part as a happy person, and I have been kind to everyone around me. So receiving this award will make me very grateful, and the happiness course we have been through these months, it has made us learn a lot of things. How we can stay happy and kind during the tough times. So receiving this award will make me very happy.
Hello guys, myself Sakshi and what's your good name? Tanis. So Tanis, suppose you are going to win this trophy, that is Mr. Happiness trophy. So what would be your reaction after winning this prize?
I would be charming happiness to receive this prize. And as you know, it's very grateful to receive this prize. And there is a one message I would like to spread among each and every person. Just don't be greedy. Just spread happiness among each and every person. Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Priti. What's your name? My name is Janvi. If you won this Miss Happiness Award, what would be your reaction?
Okay, the award is about Miss Happiness. So obviously, when I win this award, I will be very happy. And life is all about happiness. And after this award, I will spread happiness around me and be happy. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Chavi and what's your good name? Shreya. Good name. So, suppose you won this Miss Happiness Award, what's your reaction?
Actually, I feel grateful that I'm blessed with this award. Actually, I will only say that you have to spread only happiness.
Thank you.
What's your name? Okay, Raghav. If you won this trophy Mr. Happiness Award, so what would be your reaction? Please tell me.
I'd be very proud of this because they're doing a very great work. Like, making the other people happy is very good. Like, it's actually needed in our society right now. People are very sad right now. So this probably means a lot.
Thank you.
We are from Center for Happiness of Science. If you got this trophy, what will be your gratitude?
बहुत अच्छा लगेगा मुझे ये ट्रॉफी मिली है लेकिन पता नहीं क्यों मिली है बढ़िया लगेगा बस.
And if you win this trophy, then what will be your reaction?
If I win this trophy, I'd be really happy because for me, being happy all the time is difficult. It is for everyone, I think. And if I get this award, I'll be really proud of myself.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So guys, myself Sakshi.
My name is Devang.
So Devang, suppose you are going to win this trophy, Mr. Happiness Award. So what would be your reaction after winning this trophy?
I feel very pleasure to get this award, Mr. Happiness. It makes me very really happy that I get this award, and thank you so much.
My name is Samruddhi. What's your name? Nitya. Suppose if you won this Miss Happiness Award, so what will be your reaction after this?
Can I?
Okay, yeah.
Thank you so much for giving me this award for being the happiest person. I know it's well deserved because I know how to handle my emotions, and emotional intelligence is very important these days. Being a psychology major, I totally get it. Thank you so much for giving me this award. I would like to thank my parents and my friends who make me so happy. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for that. Hello guys, my name is Shavi and what's yours? Apurva. That's a good name. Basically, suppose you win a trophy. So what's your reaction?
आज मैं ऊपर आसमान नीचे. Thank you so much for the trophy. I think it's a very beautiful and very big honor for me to get a happiness trophy. Thank you.
What's your name? Nazar. Okay. Suppose if you win this Mr. Happiness Award, so what will your gratitude like? What will your reaction?
I would be very happy and excited because it's not a small award. I would be very happy to get such a big honor, and it would be such a big honor for me as well.
Okay. Thank you. So hello guys, myself Sakshi and what's your
My name is Anuj.
So suppose you are going to win this trophy, this Mr. Happiness Award. So what would be your reaction after?
Oh my god. I feel such a honored person that I win this trophy. I am this is Mr. Happiness Award and I am Mr. Happy. And it makes me very happy. Thank you so much Sakshi and Chavi yourself as well for honoring me with this beautiful trophy. Thank you.
Hello guys, myself Sakshi and what's your good name? Hanadra. So suppose you are going to win this trophy that is Miss Happiness Award. So what would be your reaction after winning this award?
My reaction would be that I would first like to say thank you to my friends and my family who make me so happy, and also to the people that it's a very long journey to reach here, and keep trying, and I'm very grateful for everything. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Nazar.
Nazar. Okay. Suppose if you win this Mr. Happiness Award, so what will your gratitude like? What will your reaction?
I would be very happy and excited because it's not a small award. I would be very happy to get such a big honor, and it would be such a big honor for me as well.
Okay.
Thank you.
My name is Nikita. Suppose you are going to win this trophy that is Miss Happiness trophy. So what would be your reaction after winning this prize?
I would be really grateful for this trophy, and I'm also grateful for my family and friends, and I want to spread happiness all over the world. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hello, myself Sakshi. What's your good name? Radvi. Okay. So Radvi, suppose you are going to win this trophy, that is Miss Happiness Trophy. So what would be your reaction at that time?
I'd be immensely grateful, and secondly, I'd be glad that I could make others happy with me as well. Thank you. Okay. Hello Agam.
Hello.
What will be your reaction if you win this trophy of Mr. Happiness?
I think I would be really glad to have this trophy, but I think my friends deserve it more because he is the reason I smile. Yele bhai.
Hi Kashish. What will be your reaction if you win this trophy?
This is the trophy that belongs to the category of Mr. and Mrs. Happiness, and I will be more than happy to win it because for a person like me who rarely is contented with what I am doing in my life, winning this trophy will give me a great motivation to be happy, be content, and be grateful for all the things that I have in my life, and also that will motivate me each day. This trophy will motivate me, this title will motivate me to be happy and to spread happiness across the world around myself and to everybody that talks to me. So yeah, that will be like a great achievement for me if I win this.
Thank you. Great.
We did the survey and we noticed to earn the Mr. and Miss Happiness Award trophy, one should have some qualities in them, specific qualities such as empathy, positivity, kindness, and gratefulness for small things life has to offer us in an everyday life. Thank you.
Thank you.